Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery.
Hello everyone, it is time to warm up our voices, so please stand up. Make sure you have plenty of room around you. Your feet should be shoulder width apart, hands to your side, and you should be standing up with good posture. Let's get started. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, clap your hands, ready, go. Stomp your feet on the ground. Tilt your head side to side. Bend your knees up and down. Clap above your head. Clap above your head and sing the song. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, hammers up please. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Don't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and singing fee-fi, fiddly-I-ho, fee-fi, fiddly-I-ho, fee-fi, fiddly-I-ho, strumming on the old banjo. Old Dan Tucker was a mighty man. He washed his face in a frying pan, combed his hair with a wagon wheel, had a toothache in his heel. So get out the way, old Dan Tucker, get out the way. Old Dan Tucker, get out the way. Old Dan Tucker, you're too late to get your supper. Old Dan Tucker was a mighty man. He washed his face in a frying pan, combed his hair with a wagon wheel,
vocabulary word. Can you say form? Form is the structure of a song. And when I say structure, I mean the order of the song. And sometimes composers write music with a specific form in mind. Let's think about form as a reader. Let's pretend we are reading a chapter book. Now the author writes that story in a specific form. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. And the author writes in this specific form to help the reader follow along and understand what is happening in the story. Can you imagine if the author wrote the story without any sense of form? That story would be scrambled up, and it would be very difficult to follow along and understand. Well, the same thing goes for music. Now, not all music is written with a specific form, but many songs are. And a composer writing a song with a specific form helps the listener follow along and understand the music. We are going to learn about a specific form today. This form is called A, B, A form. It's also known as binary form. Can you say binary? B-I, bi, in the word binary means two. And so this ABA form is also called binary form because it has two parts, A and B. It just so happens that A repeats again at the end. So, in ABA form, both A sections are the same and B is different. I like to teach ABA form with an Oreo cookie. First, on the bottom, you would have a chocolate cookie. Then in the middle, you would have a completely different part, the cream. Then on top, you would have another chocolate cookie. And this top chocolate cookie is exactly the same as this bottom chocolate cookie. So the form of an Oreo cookie is ABA. This song, The Pumpkin on the Vine, is in ABA form. So we're going to learn this song today and sing it in ABA form. So we will learn section A first, and then section B, and then we'll put it together. I am going to sing each line of the song, and I would like for you to repeat after me. You will know it's your turn when I do this. Here we go. The pumpkin on the vine, the pumpkin on the vine. I picked the one that weighed a ton, and that's the one that's mine. Great job, that is our A section. Let's put it all together and sing it together. Ready? The pumpkin on the vine, the pumpkin on the vine. I picked the one that weighed a ton, and that's the one that's mine. Now let's learn the B section. I will sing first, and I would like for you to repeat after me when I do this. Here we go. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin on the vine. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Great job learning the B section. Let's put it all together and sing it together. Ready? Go. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin on the vine. Pumpkin, pumpkin, that's the one that's mine. Great job singing the B section. So you can clearly hear that the B section is completely different than the A section. Now let's sing our song, The Pumpkin on the Vine, in ABA form. Let's review how this will work. First, we will sing the A section. Then we will sing the B section. And lastly, we will sing the A section again. Are you ready? Go. The pumpkin on the vine, the pumpkin on the vine. I picked the one that weighed a ton, and that's the one that's mine. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin on the vine. Pumpkin, pumpkin, that's the one that's mine. The pumpkin on the vine, the pumpkin on the vine. I picked the one that weighed a ton, and that's the one that's mine. You have done an amazing job learning about form and singing in ABA form. For your activity in Seesaw, you are going to create your own binary form. So you will have part A and part B, and you will create your own form. Then you are going to perform the pumpkin on the vine in the form that you created. So let's look at a few binary forms that you could create with parts A and B and perform our song in. So you might want to stick with ABA form, which is fine. And so you would sing section A, then section B, then section A again. Or you might want to create the form AAB. Now this is still a binary form because we still have two parts, A and B, but this song would sound completely different because you would sing the A section twice and then the B section once. Or you may create A, B, B. Now this form is still binary because there's two parts, but it would sound completely different. You would sing the A section once and the B section twice. So you will create your own binary form using parts A and B. I'd like you to use the typing tool, and I'd like for you to type out your form. So you should type out one of these. Then, using the record tool or the video tool, I want you to record yourself performing the pumpkin on the vine in the form that you created. I cannot wait to hear you sing in binary form. Thank you for joining me.